Hello, lovely learner. Welcome back to Fluent Talks. I'm Emily. Have you ever wanted to practice English speaking anytime, anywhere without feeling judged? What if I told you there's a way to have real-time conversations, improve fluency, and boost confidence, all by talking to AI? Yeah, you heard that right. So today, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT's Live Voice feature to supercharge your English speaking skills. If you struggle with hesitation, lack confidence, or just don't have a speaking partner, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's be real. Learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. The real challenge? Speaking confidently. Many learners don't have someone to practice with. Others are afraid of making mistakes. And then there's the problem of time. Who has hours to find a conversation partner? That's where AI steps in. Imagine having a conversation partner available 24/7, who never judges you, never interrupts, and patiently listens. ChatGPT's voice feature allows you to talk naturally, get instant responses, and even adjust the conversation style based on your needs. It's like having a personal language coach minus the pressure. You might be wondering, can an AI really help me speak better? The answer is yes. When you speak with ChatGPT, you get real practice forming sentences, thinking in English and responding in real time. The more you do it, the more fluent you become. Many learners have already improved their confidence just by using AI as their speaking buddy. So how can you start? It's simple. 1. Open the ChatGPT app. 2. Tap the headphone icon to activate voice mode. 3. Start speaking. Talk about your day, ask questions, or even role-play different scenarios. Want a challenge? Set a timer for 5 minutes and talk nonstop. The goal? Keep speaking without overthinking. Use different conversation styles. Casual, formal, storytelling. Repeat difficult sentences. Train your brain to say them naturally. Challenge yourself. Argue a point. Describe a picture. Or tell a story in English. Practicing English with AI isn't just fun. It's effective. The key is consistency. Try it for just 5 minutes a day and you'll see the difference. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and let me know. Will you try speaking with ChatGPT? Also, hit that subscribe button for more English learning tips. See you in the next episode of Fluent Talks.